Look at that, this is amazing. It is Spätzle time, Swabian noodles. We need a machine, some salt water, eggs and flour. So this is the right amount. For 100 gram flour, 1 egg, 50 milliliter water, salt and nutmeg. I already put my nutmeg salt inside of it. And this is 1 kilo flour and I put 10 eggs inside. And you're gonna start it. And you already add some water. Step by step you're gonna add more water. You need such a machine and you're gonna fill in the dough. So the water is boiling and we're just gonna press them in. And you're gonna stop and you're gonna press again. You're gonna stop and you're gonna press again. You just wait until they boil. To go. Then you just drain them a little bit and put them on cloth. And that's all the magic. Oh, look at that, this is amazing. We made a lot of Spätzle. And what you do, you take some Ziploc and open it up and put in some of the Spätzle. Open it up and put in some of the Spätzle. Okay, how much you like. And then you can put it in the freezer. And my tip, put a little bit of oil in it. And then they don't stick together. Okay, lovely, enjoy it.